Swag, I know you heard about me. Swag, I know you heard about me. Swag, I know you heard about me. Swag.
What's up?
I'm trying to figure this shit out, man.
Trying to figure it out?
What?
Trying to figure it out?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Alright. You ready?
What are you gonna do? What, you wanna learn?
Yeah.
You got a bike?
I got a fucking bike.
Let's do it!
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm ready.
I'll bring it around.
Alright, I'm ready. This guy thinks he's a bad. Do a burnout! Do a burnout! What's the problem?
What are you doing?
Yeah. Go get your bike, Dad.
Yeah.
Go get your bike, Dad. I'm like, what is this dude's problem, man?
That's the second time I've cut my pants on some titanium.
Go get some water or go leave. Or go to sleep.
get free waters when you ride?
Yeah.
Let me get on that thing, bro.
Go for it. Oh, you missed my dad doing a burnout. You missed it. I don't want to talk to you, bro.
What?
I don't want to talk to you. Unless you're apologizing.
I will apologize.
God bless you, brother.
All right. You gonna hang out all night?
No, I'm leaving at 8.
8?
Yes, sir.
8 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
You ain't gonna teach me how to do a wheelie at night?
No, not having it. I got stuff to do.
You will not show me how to do a wheelie.
I will
at
not.
night
I will
at
not.
9 o'clock.
No.
At 10 o'clock.
No, I'm out of here.
You're out of here?
Yeah. You're good.
Oh, okay.
All right, man.
Yeah.
Where's your pops go?
God bless you, man.
God bless you, man.
I understand, but you had a few beers, but it came off the wrong way. We're being respectful. That's all we ask, is to be respectful to each other.
I'm respectful.
All right.
All right?
Yes,
My
sir.
man.
Thank you.
Where'd your dad go?
I don't know.
Smoke, cause I got it. I got blocks, and I got highway. Pull up to your city, get shit litty. Yeah, shit get real. Yeah, real quickly.